A&D Cuff Placement Procedure.
Pass your arm through the cuff hole with your palm facing up. Attach the hose in line with your middle finger. Wrap the cuff around the upper arm, about half an inch 1 to 2 centimeters above the inside of the elbow. Be careful not to wrap it too tight. Confirm that the arrow points to within the proper fit range. Arm protector flat against the arm. Correct. Arm protector folded under the cuff. Incorrect. Arm protector is flat against the arm. Correct. Skin can be seen. Incorrect. It is preferable to use the left arm when taking blood pressure readings.